Which is the river connected to the Najafgarh lake? Options: Ganga, Narmada, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. Answer: Yamuna. Which is the International Yoga Day? Options: June 21st, May 13th, June 18th, March 9th. Answer: June 21st. Which is the COVID-19 vaccine made in China? Options: Sinopharm, Novavax, Moderna, Janssen. Answer: Sinopharm. Who is the new president of Iran? Options: Hassan Rouhani, Ibrahim Raisi, Saeed Jalili, Saeed Mohammad. Answer: Ibrahim Raisi. Who is Lex Luthor? Options: Comic character, playwright, musician, former president. Answer: Comic character. Who is the Sports Minister of India? Options: Nitin Gadkari, Prahlad Singh Patel, Kiran Rijiju, Narendra Singh Tomar. Answer: Kiran Rijiju. Who is the fastest woman climber of Mount Everest? Options: Bachendi Pal, Sang Yin Hung, Mary Mills Davis, Junko Tabei. Answer: Sang Yin Hung. Which is the happiest country in the world? Options: Sweden, Switzerland, Finland, Norway. Answer: Finland. Where is the world's only floating post office? Options: Kashmir, Tokyo, Shanghai, Dhaka. Answer: Kashmir. Who composed the Olympic theme song of India? Options: A. R. Rahman, Anirudh Ravichander, Mohit Chauhan, Amit Trivedi. Answer: Mohit Chauhan. Who is the winner of World Test Championship? Options: New Zealand, India, England, Australia. Answer: New Zealand. Who is the new director of CBI? Options: Ranjit Singha, Subodh Kumar Jaiswal, Bipin Rawat, Alok Verma. Answer: Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. What is the number of bones in the human body? Options: 202, 194, 206, 172. Answer: 206. Which is the Father's Day? Options: June 20th, August 17th, November 25th, January 4th. Answer: June 20th. Who is the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister? Options: Naveen Patnaik, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Ashok Gehlot, Uddhav Thackeray. Answer: Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Which is the most abundant vitamin in orange? Options: Vitamin A, Vitamin C, Vitamin D, Vitamin K. Answer: Vitamin C. Who is the world's first woman Prime Minister? Options: Indira Gandhi, Margaret Thatcher, Sirimavo Bandaranaike, Khalida Zia. Answer: Sirimavo Bandaranaike. Which is the Asia's largest desert? Options: Thar Desert, Sahara Desert, Atacama Desert, Gobi Desert. Answer: Gobi Desert. Where is the capital city of Vietnam? Options: Jakarta, Manila, Hanoi, Bangkok. Answer: Hanoi. What is the currency of South Africa? Options: Dollar, Rand, Shilling, Krone. Answer: Rand. Who is the President of Brazil? Options: Sergio Moro, Jair Bolsonaro, Dilma Rousseff, Ciro Gomes. Answer: Jair Bolsonaro. Which is India's first indigenous aircraft carrier? Options: INS Vikrant, INS Vikramaditya, INS Virat, INS Kolkata. Answer: INS Vikrant. Which war is related to the Rezang La War Memorial in Ladakh? Options: Indo-Pakistan War 1965, Kargil War 1999, Sino-Indian War 1962, World War II. Answer: Sino-Indian War 1962. In which day the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi declared a state of emergency across the country? Options: April 19, 1975, June 25, 1975, October 17, 1979, January 22, 1980. Answer: June 25, 1975. Who is the Director General of WHO? Options: Harshvardhan, Chris Whitty, Michael J. Ryan, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Answer: Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Which is the best state under the Smart Cities Mission Projects 2020? Options: Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana. Answer: Uttar Pradesh.